Okay, we're back with part 2 of this massive subscription box haul. If you missed part 1, I have it linked here. Make sure you go watch that first so that the rest of this makes sense. And without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, you guys. So this is a quarterly subscription box that I love. I love, 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 love. It is a lifestyle and wine box. So if you like wine and you like lifestyle box, think FabFitFun meets First Leaf had a baby. This is it. What you get is the lifestyle box here with all of the goodies inside and a bottle of wine. But when you sign up through me using my promo code, you get 2 additional bottles of wine completely for free for the lifetime of your subscription. Not one time, for the entire time you're a subscriber, you will get 3 bottles of wine with your box. So make sure you go below and sign up through me. On top, it talks about all of the products, and they send these super cute cards, which are super easy and convenient to keep. Let me show you what comes inside. You're gonna see why I love this box. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is so cute. Love that. Moonstruck Portland, Oregon Nutty Milk Chocolate Cinnamon Chocolate Bar. Perfect to go with wine. Aqua de Soy Citrus and White Tea. Is it a candle? It is a candle and it smells good. Now, I don't know about this. Can y'all see this? It looks like it got a little crazy in shipping, but luckily it's a candle, so I'm just gonna light it. It's gonna melt anyways. But yes, so citrus and white tea candle that smells really amazing. It's making a huge mess. I love cute wine glasses. Celebrate! Super cute. Three little words. Live, love, wine. This is going on my wine bar, which happens to also be my husband's whiskey cart, so he might not appreciate that sign so much, but that's okay. And then we got Kenra Platinum Air Dry Cream Time-Saving Air Styler Hair Product. Wow, interesting. So if you guys follow me, you know I follow a strict curly girl method, and this most definitely has products I am not allowed to use in my hair. So that means somebody is getting a gift, which my friends absolutely love that I pay forward the stuff I get because they get so excited. So do we have everything? Yes, we have everything. It has a retail value of over $134, which I totally agree on. Yay. Love, love, love this. Highly recommend. Sign up below with my coupon code so you get the 2 bottles of wine for free. So I have 2 DecoCrateds here. This is the DecoCrated Easter box. It is going to be releasing in about a week or so, so make sure you stop right now and subscribe so that you get the notification when this releases. This is a full Easter spoiler from DecoCrated. And this is the DecoCrated Spring box. It is linked here. This is a full spoiler for the DecoCrated Spring. I talk about what's in the box, how to use it, how I use it in my home, and I'm the mantle girl. I love to decorate my mantle, so I show you how I use it on my mantle. So if you want to check this out, comment here. I have a pretty good DecoCrated family following. If you're one of my DecoCrated ladies, comment on here. Show some love. Say hi. Y'all, I want y'all to start meeting each other if you haven't already. Okay, this is Gail and Noelle making magical moments for boys and girls. I did unbox their very first box, like the prototype launch box, and it was super cute. So this might actually be their first like official public box. Oh, she wrote me a note. It says, thank you for including us in your subscription box haul for women. If y'all haven't seen that, you can swipe up here, click up here and check it out. It was a really great haul of just boxes for women. Great boxes for women. This is the New Year's box. It has the grocery list that you will need to do the things in here. This is a recipe for penguin Rice Krispies. and how to make them. And then this is the movie recommendation of what you're supposed to watch once you're done baking. Then they have snowflake brownies, and that's what you take this to the store with your kiddos and let them pick all the stuff out. Then you come back and you make the snowflake brownies, and then you watch Frozen. Isn't that cute? Inside, she has included the sprinkles, the snowflake cookie cutter, the candy eyeballs. My kids are gonna flip out when they see this. This is so cute. Candy eyeballs, candy melt. For this one, you make Penguin Rice Krispies, and it has the full recipe for that. And then once they're done, you watch Happy Feet. Isn't that so cute? And then she has the recipe for snowflake brownies. And then once you've baked those, you go and watch Frozen. She has it planned out. Like, parents, you don't have to do anything. You give the grocery list to your kiddo, take them to the store. They're gonna have a blast picking everything out. Then you come back and you bake these things with them while watching these movies together. She has also already provided the blue sprinkles, the candy melts that you'll use, eyeballs. My kids are gonna love this. It's so cute. And then she has this super cute calendar, and it's covered in obscure holidays, you know, like the fun, silly ones. So like on January 31st is National Hot Chocolate Day. That's fun. I want to celebrate that with my kids. They would love that. So you can hang that up. And then down here, it's a New Year's time capsule. Find an old shoebox or small packaging box and label it time capsule. And then she tells you how to do it. She tells you what to put inside. And then she actually provides the paperwork for you to fill out all the different things in your time capsule. And there's several of them. This is all about me, but this one says 2021 goals. And she provided 2 of the all about me sheets. So my husband and I can do one, and the kids can do one, or both of my kids can each do one. I love that. Love, love, love that. And I don't have to do anything. It's done. We just complete it. She is paving this out so that you and I can just use our time to hang with our kids. That's what subscription boxes are for. And then she gave a book to read together. Arthur, right? That's how the show says it. Arthur, yeah. All these kids shows, I don't know. My brain starts to blend them together. Okay, this is super cute. This is Gail and Noelle. Go below to get a coupon code and to sign up. Tell me if you've got a box. Have y'all found a box that you're interested in, that you love? This is super speed. I'm super speed unboxing, but I want you guys to see as much as possible. Then once you see it, if you know you love it, you can go research it more. Okay, I have here Nadine West Fashion. These are new to me subscription boxes. And then my ultimate favorite, Front Door Fashion. Woo! These are women clothing subscriptions. So I push up 2 new boxes, and these are budget-friendly boxes against my all-time favorite subscription box for women's clothing that is I'm not gonna say it's not budget-friendly, but it's Nordstrom pricing. It's the pricing I typically spend for my clothes. But I want to do a big mashup. I told all of them the same thing, and I want to see how each brand translated it. I've already filmed it. Go up here to watch it. It turned out great. If you are looking for women's clothing, you are going to want to see that unboxing. This is a very unique subscription box, but this is the subscription box that saved my tail when I got COVID. I got COVID last month and was feeling bad, needed to eat, but needed to eat things that were truly gonna be fighting and helping me. And I was able to pull out my Fond Bone Broth subscription. And I just put them over the stove, warmed up the contents, and drank it straight from the jar. And it was a lifesaver because I wasn't feeling good, but I needed to eat. I was trying to eat every couple of hours, and I didn't want to do food because I was laying in bed. I grabbed these and sipped them, and they were so good. They're also my new favorite for creating any type of soup. Any type of soup, I use one of these. It saves so much time because they're infused. So this is the Nopalito, which I think is their new one. But they also have, let's see, this one's fennel, apple cider vinegar, and bay leaf. This one is turmeric, thyme, and black pepper. They are keto and paleo friendly. They're artisan made. So it's not your normal cheapy, high sodium chicken broth. This stuff is so good. So if you're kicking off the new year and you're really trying to reform your eating, go check them out. It ships to your door. You don't have to think about anything. It encourages you to cook with healthy products, to sip healthy products. When it's sitting in your house, you're more likely to do it than one day when you get to the store. And can we just talk about their branding? It's really cute. And last, but certainly not least, is a brand new to me subscription box called Love Every. They sent me a couple of them. I'm only gonna open one of them today, but we'll set this guy here because it's cute. This is a baby and kids subscription box. All right, designed by experts for your child's developing brain. This is the Play Kit months 28, 29, and 30 called The Enthusiast. Great name for that age. So this is the cover, but it also talks about the other boxes. So they have the Helper, the Investigator, the Free Spirit, and that's months 25 through months 36. You can kind of get a concept here. So let's pull some of this stuff out. Wow. This is very impressive. So on top here is a block game. This is made of wood and it is incredibly impressive. Very high quality. Here is a water bottle and a squeegee. Now I'm gonna tell you, my youngest is 6 and she is going to flip out when she sees that. That is so cute. Look, y'all, this is big stuff. A scale for weighing and balancing, so you can put the buckets on each side and discuss with your kid the difference in weights. This is brilliant. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's a picnic. There's little tin plates and napkins. Oh my goodness. Let's scoop this over. Look. This is so cute. This is so cute. Even the boxes are pretty. Oh my gosh, what is this? There's glue and there's shapes. Lots of shapes. For a project, I'll pull that in a minute and look. Whoops. Love Every the Enthusiast. Safety warnings, material and care. The Sticky Shapes Glue Station. The Every Which Way Scale and Pels. This is really impressive. This is everything that's inside the box. And then look at this. Play guide. And this has the importance on reading. And it has a tab for you. For your child. The playthings, more activities, fitting and finding shapes. And it's on a ring and it's durable paper. So like your kid can get a hold of this and they're not gonna tear it. It has straw and noodles and how to do it. And it has everything to complete that activity. Red light, green light. So it's activities, but educationally, you're showing them things. This is super impressive. And the last item in the box that keeps on giving is My Favorite Natural Buddy book. And it's a book that they can read and you can read with them. Okay, this is really cool. If you know somebody who's about to have a baby or someone who has a 2-year-old, it's like, what do you buy your 2-year-old? They don't need any more silly toys. This is brilliant. Love Every, great job. You guys, if I have a coupon code, I'll put it below for this awesome box. And that's a wrap. We did it. We unboxed them all. If you found a box you love, once again, I have it pinned in the comments on YouTube. I have all of this on my blog. It's also in the notes, which I know are sometimes hard to find on YouTube mobile, about each of these boxes. If I got a coupon code, it's gonna be there. And some of these I purchased, some of these were given to me. But when you do purchase through my affiliate links, I get a small commission, which allows me to continue to have these boxes come through, show them to you so you can discover if you want more. So when you order through me, it is always appreciated. Comment below if there's a box I didn't open, but you wish that I would have, so that I can get my hands on it. And if you have a favorite, tell me about it. If you've experienced the box before, tell us why. Tell us what you love about it. So when others are going through, they can have real user feedback, since I wasn't able to play with all of these boxes. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.